how to add music to your Facebook profile. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can add music to your Instagram profile or your Facebook profile as well. So the steps are almost common for both of them, but for this particular video we'll be focusing on Facebook. So let me show you how you can do that. First, simply launch your Facebook application by tapping onto the app icon. Now this will lead you to your Facebook homepage. So you will simply need to click onto this profile option right here. So this is the profile tab. Simply click onto this and you will be led into your Facebook profile page. Now in this Facebook profile page, you might see this particular cloud message that says singing along to, or it could also be saying something else, but it will have a similar appearance. So simply click onto this message, and then from here if you want to type in anything you may do so, but also here is this music icon right here. So simply click onto this music icon and then you can simply search for any music that you would like. So for example, let's say I would go with this particular music, and then you can specify the time period of the particular music time that you want. So for example, let's say I want the music time from this much to this much. I can also listen to the preview, and once I am done with that, I can click onto this done button at the top right, and now you can see that the music has been successfully added. So click onto this share button, and now you can see that the music has been successfully added to my Facebook profile. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.